Fantastic morning. Was here. And as you and some of the toss. There's a fata salt in the Abraham Quine, actually, Kufu, the Bro say, I can see it on a pay with Belgium. So, yes, Kedua and Cassini, Erica Sidu Buedina, and some Brinan, Ecoso, or if you need a manani, actually, Kufu, the Ebro Sano, Yabesha, and Tempaso, Yade, a fee, and Pem Dakwan for more than more elbow war the calf. Women's Champions League. Now I'm sharing some of my Richoko and I can't want to pay and some of the air bar Richoko, Papa Richoko, and I pay and one of my Bobby also mentioned Ukraine. So I best day Nasi Richoko. GamePackGames.com. Where this is go to my Game Pack to say the one will be at the natural. Easy, yes, numbers na till you pick one na answer pick 4 and we'll be able to discuss at the go to pick 4 we 4 numbers na pick one so you one number na the opportunity to be discussed on open cron we are non do me no na nwumenu nsia and in a day but me any opportunities 3 times the winning scared go bottom na ya call ampem da kwa for 2-2 against Casablanca 4 man no ya de pa now so 2-2 penalties 3-2 omo de ampem da kwa for atonjan qualify for the final and Pimna pray for the third place game anymore at that Saturday. Now, Yaman Rasa again on here says here.
Showing such composure from the penalty spot. The shot goes in. 1-1. Back in front. What a strike! And it's Jennifer Owasua. Oh, the largely Ghanaian crowd here in the Côte d'Ivoire. Go potty at that one. This angle where Taylor's match. This angle here. Well, VAR is going to have a look at this, I think. Whether it's a clear and obvious area with Sergio against Hadjar. Defending for their lives here. And that's it. 2 hours of football. Short runner. And a brilliant save. Good shot at the penalty spot in this game. What could she do this time, Yaboa? Straight runner. Hammers it into the crossbar rather. Shema Montaji, top scorer in qualifying. To put them on the brink in the final here. And she's hit the crossbar as well. Unbelievable. Another chance here. That's a much better penalty. Diana Amaoka he scores one in the group stage, Ashley. And she's drilled that too fast for the keeper. And now Ampem Darkoa must score in order to stay in the competition. Went for power. Beat the keeper for pace. So now the captain Lisa. With the responsibility of keeping her side in this competition. And makes it half as big as possible. No, it's gone wide. The keeper has set the right.
So I'm Dakwan and to me and qualify for the final. Inti the Kaka Corner is the third place. Now I'm Dakwan be kopre was game final na Basso Kwasieda the Melody Sundowns na Casablanca and the Pem so Sporting Casablanca for more Brian San Omo koza I'm Dakwan more for mu hwani crack kakra akom hwani mu anya sam keto akora yefi eno so na yenkopi mu wo the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana. Now, theater Dachina 4 p.m. Ghana Ejina Kono against a young match at that form. It's a Ghana between me, Achan Bob Bray, was a game. My Befa Nasa and Feminine Crabia and a Betche Lawrence Atizigi. Ako PM camp no pe any player o ma me PM and me no ka say ako PM and rakra one team no training in tika channel so sa and so efa mamenti Babayara Sports Stadium and asa match no baso wo Kumasi ti preparations ego so ekoso na ebe hesa na no so nsam ebesi ako at the Black Stars of Ghana catch they say team na ready and coach and the Chris Newton training mo say and after training on essential for ebeshia na one akasa kakra yo bo akire mu sene Ghana call into that game. It's only said and something so it's yet our Black Stars so Eddie anymore. Now live commentary by Basso Adom FM. Yes, Adom FM na fin show no Asampe FM so in share FM so Eddie Bebronti ya jay ni ase. Tana prepare Nigeria ni ase no eba no World Cup qualifier say ya. Na ye be ma first testing na mo mame enkotwa see what the MTN FA Cup round of 64 draw and right back so ni mo na ye hwe sane esie koya regional draws are no den papa eti yen konko hwe sane won sam esie koya in the round of 64 na Kotoko Royals ne Swedro All Blacks All Stars and the Beboni Amina Sharks ne Young Red Bulls Korea All Stars ne Soccer Intellectuals Gold Stars ne Rospak Mediema ne Basake All Stars Fija United in Zamakoroko Sky FC ni Samatex Blue Skies and Koforidia Sushain Dream Self needs to be House of Folk and in Nania and Bona Koforidia Simpe and Atram Divisa na God ne Vision Great Olympics ne Golden Kicks na Legon Cities and Accra Lions and so Eddie Abweni nti yanko ni mlienhwe the twaso so the run of 64 the MTN FA Cup Warri Stars near RTU Kasagu Arrowheads in Northern City Steadfast in Karela and Meremano United and Bafo Soccer Academy Young Apostles and Victory Club Warriors na Brekum City and Techiman Liberty Bechem United ne Demibi United na Bofo ene Sunyane Oxford Adriana Stars Brekum Chelsea Hilla Stars and Wa Power in Swatemani Mana na Namoro and it can fight about near the Biasne Park na Asante Kodoko any nations at the Abweni Benab and Kwaboso Young Madrid and so on the Bebo now Hohoi and Home Stars na Accra Athletic FC ni Avrao Agbogba na face House of Lions near Kachi All Stars and so at the Abweni or the MTN FA Cup a round of 64 Chese Kwambia so no a regional base Senebea clubs be no mu tu kwan no musu na how is ya chechem se na be ya boy ekonim na yemiem ya ekonim na no na yemiem ahwese ne honsam so ebesi akowe the MTN FA Cup honsam now yehwe sane ya House of Folk honsam esiete Accra House of Folk akache okopie mu ho anoma de ba no say 3 coaches and omo front liners so the next coach of Accra Hearts of Folk. Now, Okopima, Coach Siki Akono Dia Bepim, Sansona Coach Bashir Hayford, Ya Preco, or Munina 18 Ewomo. Yana Banisina, Coach Didi Eba, a dependent, I was an commodity in Bisiako, and near Nenkomo Betima Akuyeno, and the Jubano at the Mano. Ti, the Kaka Kono, na Coach Bashir, or no Sheria House of Folk, a big Kitem Kaka, a woman game on the boss this weekend, no, we are near her, say who takes over the coaching role of Accra House of Folk. I don't necessarily have some space yesterday. You could be more World Cup qualifiers. No, say city where Africa, near Ghana, and Yenya, me patrol other African countries. Also, at the Basso and Dendia, some Keto Accra, at the Yakohesan and one some Besiako. That were a hot animal now. Ultimately, say yes, World Cup qualifiers. No, our Africa and okopie ewo aye Kumasi anya Ghana penebo now enra Equatorial Guinea Namibia piem so Equatorial Guinea bo Namibia 1-0 Rwanda ne Zimbabwe game ne 0-0 na Congo DR and Mauritania de ne 2-0 Ethiopia ne Sierra Leone bo 0-0 now and there's Botswana ne Mozambique na Burundi ne Gambia Algeria ne Somalia Egypt ne Djibouti Nigeria ne Lesotho na Finsono Gabon and Kenya abo Sudan ne Togo Morocco and Eritrea na Cape Verde ne Angola de abweni tiwe ene matches ahodwa beba so enne now of course ochina matches bekoso ewo Africa enti we World Cup qualifiers Kashen so and so efa emame honom na yen kokopie mu na yen hwa use so qualifiers no se na besi akọ enra Israel ema Switzerland 40 hwan papa 88 minutes ya pon kra na kwambia so no wo mo atumi ate omoka yellow card ne de boburu jama red card ba kokra san pm ma Switzerland for Israel for entokwa ekoso ba to mo se mo ani abre timi atwen draw ho Switzerland betima so go betima qualify but amfa o so mo twen kakra Cyprus Spain and Bulgaria Hungary Estonia ne Austria Azerbaijan ne Sweden Georgia and Scotland na Luxembourg ne Bosnia bo Liechtenstein and so ne Portugal and ade ebebo ne yenkosoro kakra na yehwesa ne honsam and so esi etie ewo Euro shirimo eti ebeba so ewo Germany yeah eti ebeba mo betima qualify ko there is Slovakia and Iceland then of course Montenegro and Lithuania and so the bebo so we and next games eba so in the Euros na kopiemo or South America World Cup qualifiers ni mu na dene mu ba yire papa ne there's Bolivia and Peru na finso Venezuela and Ecuador they apem so ochna and Brazil and Colombia Argentina Uruguay Chile and then of course Paraguay and osa motom ho no sa line mu dia na de papa acheze hono obi anya obia matches the more thing anya sam keto akra and then some so here and me can for game pack oko gamepackgames.com na wakom website at me ade odi akokotum na do danchen ya obetumi so akọ Play Store na App Store na download the Game Pack Games one more app no what I say na also pick 4 we 4 numbers na pick 1 so kwabia so you one number we just say betimi abo to the betimi so da e bi no calculations bi to me say betimi abo eti anopa ya 9 ye be draw back na awia 12 ye draw back na 6 pm ya sign draw back na watimi afa so edisika Game Pack Games 4 eho ni makwedi isi akonkwan no pa ni ade nsam na je bra o se joba no choba na padi botwe me producers kai se wo de nanka